How to mount a miniature beam load cell. This includes models: MB Miniature Beam Load Cell, MBP Overload Protected Miniature Beam Load Cell. The MB Miniature Beam Load Cell is designed to be used in scale pits and batching plants or other locations that are directly exposed to the weather. Platform Scale Mounting Installation. An MB miniature beam load cell must be installed on all four corners of the platform scale. The MB should be mounted to a flat rigid surface. Fasten the MB securely to the mounting surface with two 832 by 1 1/4 inch screws. Tighten to 24 inch-pounds or 2.7 Newton-meters. Torque is recommended for best performance. A 5/32 steel wire cable can be used to apply the compression force to the mini beam. Fasten the steel wire cable using a 5/32 wire cable stop with set screws. Now the platform can be placed onto the scale with the installed MB miniature beam load cell. Secure the platform to the scale by placing a ball with shank and roller swage to the lower end of the steel wire cable. Once the MB is securely fastened to the mounting surface and the spring-loaded assembly is secured, the compression force can be applied. The mini beam load cells are designed for controlled environment applications. In general, they can be used anywhere a readout instrument is used. Please exercise caution during handling and installation of these load cells. The application of a force equaling more than 150% of the rated capacity, 7.5 pounds on MB5, 15 pounds on MB10, 37.5 pounds on MB25, and up, can result in irreparable damage. These units are not intended for submerged operation. A moisture-resistant coating is applied for capacities 25 through 250 pounds to protect MB series from high humidity conditions up to and including 95% relative humidity and periodic exposure to condensation.